Habang busy pa sila, I'd like to take this time to... Hello? Check. Yeah, habang busy pa si Max at si Cindy, I'd like to take this time to say maraming salamat. Thank you everyone for gracing this event. Thank you for gracing the premiere night. At kasama rin namin yung mga bida. This is their night.
Hello po sa inyo lahat! Hello! Great! We also have here joining us Cindy and Max Nata po! Alright, Cindy and Max, please do invite everybody to watch your movie when it comes out. Starting with Cindy.
Hi everyone! Again, thank you for being here. We're so excited na para mapanood niyo ang Kumanto. Sana sabihin niyo sa family niyo, sa friends niyo after niyo mapanood tonight ang Kumanto. Thank you again. Thank you.
Mabuting hapon!
And for having me. So, yeah, I want to be here tonight with you guys. And please support us. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We will now have a group photo, everybody. So please do.
I just want to say thank you. Thank you, Phoebe. Ikaw ang pagod na pagod ngayong gabi kung saan tayo nagkikita. But I just want to say thank you sa inyo po, sa lahat ng sumusuporta. Please do help us spread the word. Habang wala pa sila, I'll take this time to express my gratitude sa inyo pong lahat because this means a lot. To be able to share the story, to be able to tell stories para po sa inyo. Ayan na po sila. Ako na mag-i-introduce, Phoebe. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Miss Cindy Miranda and Max Nata po.
Hi. Hello.
Isang masigabong palakpakan naman dyan. Ako ba yung host?
Thank you. No problem. Hello, Max. Hello, Cindy. You see how excited everybody was outside and in here to see you? Is there a message you would like to impart tonight? Would you like to tell them?
Yeah, it's such a warm welcome to be here tonight, and I'm so thankful and thank you, brother, so much for having me. Yeah, I think it's gonna be so amazing film.
Exactly. Okay, let's hear from the children muna, Cindy. Althea!
Hello po. Thank you po sa lahat po na nandito para supportahan po ang aming movie. Sana po ay magustuhan niyo po, and sana po ay sabihin niyo po sa inyong mga friends and other family members na hindi po nakapunta para mapanood po nila. At ayun po, thank you so much po sa lahat, sa VAA, sa Viva Film, sa Studio Viva, and sa family members ko para sa support. Thank you!
Eman, invite mo silang manood ng Kumantong.
Manood po kayo ng Kumantong sa July 3. Invite niyo po lahat ng family members niyo po, pati yung pinsan, pamangkin, pati rin po yung mga best friends niyo po, kaibigan. Isalin niyo po sila sa panonood po ng Kumantong para makita po nila yung movie.
Siyempre, invite namin ang family members at ang pamilya namin. Thank you, Eman and Cindy!
Ito na. Salamat po sa pagpunta ngayon. Salamat po dahil kasama po namin kayo. Ito na po, maraming salamat po. Kahit hindi pa po natin napapanood lahat yung movie, nagpapasalamat na po kami dahil feeling namin sobrang love and supported kami dahil nandito po kayo lahat. Sana po ay magustuhan nyo at sana matakot kayo tonight. Ito na po yung hinanda naming horror film this year. Sana po talaga magustuhan nyo. At sana, tama nga po yung mga bata, invite nyo po yung family and friends nyo to watch Kumantong po on July 3 na po in cinemas nationwide.
Thank you, everyone.